What is up, YouTube? It's been a while. I still don't know how to access my camera through YouTube anymore, but hopefully this video works. Got a new special delivery today. I got a whole bunch of deliveries coming this week, so it's a good week. But let's unbox this together. Oh, snap. Okay. Melosi intake. Obviously, if you guys are seeing this, you probably know what's in the box, but there's one. Exhaust hardware, pulley hardware, I'm guessing. Something around that nature. Oh, and if you haven't seen that already, obviously you know what's coming. ALX, baby, for the win. I do not discriminate against ALX or RC Max. I have both businesses, companies, motors. I love them both. No bashing over here. This, if you don't know, is an MCD plate. You already know what that is. Yes, I have a new motor for an MCD XR5. The pipe done black. This car is pretty much going to be all black. Oops, my bad. I obviously must have gave away the color. I love extra packaging. There she is. Oh yeah. Just throw this. It's open. I messed that up. My bad. Get in there, baby. Now, I'm not sure how many of these motors ALX has manufactured or sold, but this is the new ALX SUPER 44. Let's just get this bad boy out of the package, show her off a little bit. See if you guys can hold it with one hand. She is, boys and girls. There she is. ALX Super 44. He put a different head on there for me. He gave me a new spur gear. Let's see what clutch. I'm not really sure. There she is. ALX Super 44. And is she pretty, all black, everything. He gave me the kill switch bracket for it. Always make sure on the ALX motors, or any motor, RC Max as well, that these are tight, because I had a problem with my 71. I couldn't get it to run right, couldn't figure it out, and it happened to be this little prong right here that was messing me all up. Is the choke, I believe. That is a WJ71, ladies and gents. Let me just look at this motor and see there's a number on it. Usually stamps it. Oh, that is a 115. I'm not really sure what that is. If that's the number or what, but there we go. ALX Super 44. This is gonna go on my MCD XR5 street car, and I'm excited. I'm excited for this one. Stay tuned. We'll get the car, throw it in. I'm gonna do a custom body on it. I'm gonna keep the body, but do a custom paint job to the body. And get that ready to go, mounted up, exhaust on, intake on, everything ready to run, and I'll do another video. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Filthy RC, I'm out.